Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Fashion Alchemist.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you are a beginner, then make sure you subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon. So guys, welcome to our latest fashion guide. Today we are talking about one of the most stylish and seductive footwear options out there, leather thigh high heel boots. From runway models to fashion icons, these boots have been spotted on everyone from supermodels to celebrities. Let's dive in and explore the world of leather thigh high heel boots. When it comes to styling leather long boots, the key is to balance the volume of the boots with a fitted top or dress. You can pair them with dresses, skirts, or shirts for a chic and stylish look. For a more edgy look, try pairing them with ribbon jeans or a leather jacket. When choosing leather long boots or leather thigh high heel boots, consider the style that suits your taste and preference. Do you like a sleek and minimalist designs or something more elaborate with buckles and straps? Consider the heel height too. A higher heel can add drama and glamour to your outfit. Leather quality is crucial when it comes to leather thigh high heel boots or long boots. Look for high quality full grain leather that will last longer and develop a beautiful patina over time. To keep your boots looking their best condition the leather regularly and avoid exposing them to harsh weather conditions. Leather thigh high heel boots can be dressed up or down for various occasions. Wear them to night out with friends or a romantic date, or pair them with a dress or skirt for a more formal look. You can also wear them with jeans and a jacket and a leather jacket for a casual edgy look. Many celebrities have been spotted wearing leather thigh high heel boots or long boots, and for good reason. They were stylish, versatile, and can add a touch of glamour to any outfit. Take inspiration from your favorite celebrities and try pairing your boots with a dress or skirts for a chic and feminine look. If you are looking to invest in a pair of leather thigh high heel boots, consider the following factors: quality, fit, and style. Look for high quality leather, a comfortable fit, and a style that suit your taste and preference. High heel boots can if you have already have a pair of leather thigh high heel boots, consider adding some tight touches to make them more unique. You can add studs, buckles, or various occasions other accessories to give your boots personalized casual outings. Leather thigh high heel boots are a bold fashion statement that can add a touch of glamour and sophistication of any outfit. While heels can be challenging to wear, many leather thigh high heel boots are designed with comfort in mind, featuring sport and other comfort enhancing features. Leather thigh high heel boots look great with dresses or skirts, creating a feminine and elegant look. For a more edgy look, try pairing leather thigh high heel boots with shorts, adding a touch of sophistication to a casual outfit. Balance the volume of the boots with fitted tops such as a crop top or a fitted sweater. Leather thigh high heel boots come in a range of heel heights from low to high. Experiment with different heel heights to find the one that work best for you. Full grain leather is considered the highest quality leather as it is made from the strongest and most durable part of the hide. Top grain leather is also high quality, but it may have been sanded or buffed to remove impurification. Patent leather is a type of leather that has been treated with a glossy finish, giving it is a sleek and sophistication appearance. Regularly condition the leather to keep it soft and supple. Water can damage leather, so it's essential to protect your boots from rain and spills. Direct sunlight can cause the leather to fade and dry out. Store your boots in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and moisture. By following these tips and caring for your leather thigh high heel boots properly, you can enjoy them for years to come. And there you have it, folks. Leather thigh high heel boots are stylish and versatile. So thanks for watching my videos. Let us know in the comment section below. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video.